Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel How Logical. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to log into your HMRC capital gain tax account. For this guys, what you need to do is open up any web browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome and bring up the search bar and type in HMRC capital gains tax login and hit the search. Make sure it takes you to the official link. Scroll down a bit. Now over here you can see the community.hmrc.gov.uk. Just click on that link. Now you will be redirected to the new interface. At the top right of your screen you can see the sign in button. Just click on sign in button to sign in. Now again you will be redirected to the new interface, which is the sign in page. Simply you need to enter your username over here. Similarly enter your password over here. Just click on remember me for further use, but I suggest you guys do not try it in public computer. And once you click on sign in button, you'll be easily access your account. In case if you forgot your password, just click on forgot your password to recover your password. If you don't have any account of HMRC, just click on register to create a new account. This much for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below for more content like this. And remember to turn on the notification so you never miss the upload. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.